Hi everybody, it's Ashley here. Just showing you a video of a homemade wireless firework ignition system that I've made over the last few weeks. I've copied off a basic design that I watched on YouTube that Display Fireworks 1 reviewed of a guy that made a homemade fireworks system. So I'm going to show you my version. It's totally different and it's got its own design. It's not being copied any way, shape or form. It's just my interpretation of it, and I hope you like it. So here you go. It's in a white case. There we go. Sorry about that. I've just got to zoom out. There you go. It's in a flight case. Let me open up for you. There we go. There is 1 to 16. So it's a 16Q wireless system. There we go. It's got 4 ports. Sorry, 4 RJ45 ports on them. There we go. That you can connect additional igniters, making it up to 32 plus, so it can expand. There we go. Let me just show you. It's got Qs 1 to 4, Qs 5 to 8, Qs 9 to 12, Qs 13 to 16 on there. There we go. There we go. It's got a little built-in fan that keeps the wireless relay module cool. There you go. It's got an on and off switch to show that the Qs light up. There you go. Once the LED lights up, it means it's got a good igniter and there's good continuity going to the igniter. There we go. And it's also got an armed key that you have to switch it on first. So there's the key. I'll show you it working in a minute. But for now, I'm just going to turn the key. The key can't be taken. Let me show you again, apologise. Sorry about this. The key can't be taken out of the system in the arm position. So you have to switch it off to move the key, which I thought that was a really good idea and a really good safety feature. You know that once you put the key in into the controller unit, which is these actual igniters, that you know it's armed and ready to go. Once it's in the opposition, you can take the key out, know it's safe. So you can't accidentally think that you've left the key in and it's off, because you know it says armed and on. There you go. It can't be taken out unless you actually physically... Sorry, let me just turn it on. There you are. As long as you turn it to the opposition, there you go, you can take the key out. So there's the key out. It's got a 12 volt port there. So let me plug it in for you 1 second. I'm going to show you it now. So there you go, there you plug it in. And there's me going to put the key in. Don't know if you heard that. Let me just do that again for you 1 second. It bleeps to tell you it's powering up. And the fan is on and blowing air into the inside of the frame where the actual relay module, the 16 relay module is. Let me just give you 2 seconds. I'm going to switch it off a second, unplug it. I'm going to lift physically. Let me just lift it up 1 second. There we go. I'll try to do it with one hand. 1 second. Give me a second. There you go. There we go. It's all physically wired inside to a 16. No, sorry, it's actually in. One, two, three, 4, 5. Yeah, 16 relay module. No, sorry, it's an 18. Sorry, I'm counting it wrong. Apologise. It's an 18 relay module. I've only got 16 queues. That's just enough for me. There's little connections there for you. There's a key ignition. Can't show you, can I? Yep, there you go. There's a fan. There's a switch. It's all wired to work off the controller. 1 second. Apologise. Let me just put this back down a second. Hang on. Let me put the camera down 1 second. I apologise. Just push that back down. There we go. Apologise. There you are. That's back down. Back on its foundation. Around the border of this frame, I put wooden battens right around. There you go. Wooden battens to support the actual unit. And I'm just going to put this back in again. 1 second. Let me just do that. There we go. Bleeped to say powering up. Here's the controller. So I don't know if you can hear. I press 1. You hear it bleep. That means that there's electricity going to relay number 1, which will open relay number 1 and make these two contacts live, which then will make the igniters / e-matches, or talons as you call them. Sorry, apologise again that. E-matches, talons ignite, which then will in turn ignite the fireworks that you've chosen. Give me 2 seconds, I apologise, 1 second. I'm going to press channel 1 again. I don't know if you can hear it. There we go. Channel 2, channel 3, 4. I've got 18 queues, but I've only wired up 16, because 16 is enough for me to use for my displays that I do. I might even get a video of it this year, hopefully, with this system in use. But I will be doing a part 2 of these videos that I upload of these firework ignition systems that I've either purchased or made. And this is one of them that I made. And I've got an RJ, there you got RJ45 connector, which I'm going to push, apologise, let me just do this, into there. There we go. And then I've got these little connectors that I made. There we go, I don't know if you can see them. It's got an RJ45 adapter on it. I'm going to use these to wire up my igniters too. I'm just going to give you 2 seconds, let me apologise, I'm going to put you down again a minute. I'll put it down. I'm going to physically show you in the camera. There we go. I've got 2 hands available now. Clipped in. Do you hear that? Clip them, do it again. Clipped in. And then these, I've got bundles. So that's one bundle there. That's one queue. That's another queue. And so and so. So on this adapter, which is an RJ45 to a terminal adapter, there we go, has 4 queues on this. Each of these pair wires, like I said, is 1 queue. There we go. That's 1 queue. On this queue there's 4 queues, which means I can expand it from the 16 that I've got in front of me here, the 16s. I'll just show you 16, there you go, and then a 16 there. All together, I can expand it to a 32 plus queue system by just using these connectors and adapters. So there we go. There you go, you can carefully hear the fans kicked in. And it's on now. If I switch it off, that is off, right? And if I want to test the LEDs, which I haven't got any LEDs in or igniters on, I would then switch this on. Which in turn will show me if I've got good E matches. That's the word I'm thinking of, good E matches. Sorry about that, good E matches, because if I had good E matches and good continuity, each of these LEDs, there you go, would light up, telling me that I've got a good E match and good continuity for them to be remotely fired off with the ignition system that I've got here. I have in ways took a design off Display Fireworks 1, but I've changed it, redesigned it, and made it my own. So I have done no copyright at all. I know some people will say I've been copywriting other people's designs, but no. I have reworked it out and made it my own. So there we go, a simple system in question. Very simple, with a controller like that works on 433 megahertz, and also the receiver that's underneath here, the 18Q controller or receiver, as we say, is also operating on 433 megahertz. You can choose your own frequency to make sure you don't get interference with anything else. But give me 2 secs. I'm going to put you down a minute. Hang on. There we go. That's better, a bit more better. There we go. But yeah, I've made it my own. It's my own touch, and I will be showing you a part 2 of this video in a few weeks' time of it in operation and working perfectly. So just watch out for my videos. That's all. Thank you very much. Cheers. Thank you.